So I took off this collar already. I did it off camera, but I'll show you guys how I did it. There's a thing on Harbor Freight where you can get a, I think it was a bearing puller. I'll put the link in the description below. Here's what I used. If you don't have anything else, this is decent to use a vise, but just be careful because I did end up part of the wing there, but I bent it back. Don't forget the hammer. Set it aside. You'll need that later. You have the cover here. That just slides up like so. Then you got this rubber boot. See that? That's torn on mine already. Come on. There we go. Yeah, so that just slides out like that. The plastic cage. Some people reuse these. Mine isn't damaged at all, from what I can tell. I do have the new Z1 part for it. Kind of make a decision there. By the way, this is a foldable table that comes stock on a Generation 1 and Generation 2 Honda CR-V. They don't make them like they used to. So it looks like the cage is gonna have to come in the same way. Got the ring out first. Remember the orientation of the ring. You want the wider side facing towards the threads. Come on. Alright, so I got the cage onto this shaft now. I'm going to carefully try to shimmy it down the shaft. I got this from AutoZone. It's the Valvoline multi-vehicle high temp grease. It's NLGI number 2. I was going to use Mobile 1 type, but I couldn't get it in time. Nothing was available nearby. It's about 10 bucks. I'm just gonna put it on here so it can hopefully slide down easier. There we go. It's out. And you might be able to reuse yours. I don't see anything wrong with mine. Like that. There we go. Okay. Bottom's the new hardware. I have my new bushings here. Craftsports was nice enough to give me a set when I bought the car. So thank you to them. Great service. I highly recommend them if anyone ever needs to get a JDM vehicle. So I see no differences. Actually, the Z1, it's actually a little wider here. I'll figure it out if I want to use the Z1 or the OEM, but I might just because I got the new hardware, might as well just use the stuff that came with it. And then you want to remember the clips up top here. These face the threads, and this will be the bottom. Let me just get a little more loop there. You kind of want to get it to where it's, you know, pretty, I wouldn't say like smooth to move, but lubed up enough where it can move around with like a little bit of resistance, I guess. This guy. And then I'm gonna clean up this area. You really want the lube just to stay, or the grease just to stay within that cage area. I'll probably clean off the rubber outside there. And then I'll slip this guy on, and then the cap. Oh yeah, and then this guy. And then that retaining clip was loose on the OEM one too. Tonight. It's 5 a.m. and I'll get this thing probably back in tomorrow. Alright, thanks for watching.